Hi and welcome to this new Kali Linux video. In this video, we will talk about the desktop setting and how to change the background of our desktop. As you see on my screen, I have a virtual Kali Linux on my Windows. And if you want to download it or to know how to install it on your Windows as a virtual machine, you can check my Kali Linux playlist to help you in the installation. So now let's get started. First, you need to click on the right mouse button and then go to desktop setting or desktop settings. And then it will open a window up, and inside this window you will see some imagery. And these are the default images from Kali Linux. I added some new images to them. And the easiest way you might think is just by dragging and dropping some images in this window. It's gonna work, but unfortunately, it's not that easy. You need to go to this folder, as you see here, Cal Linux 16x9. Now let's go to this folder and try to upload some images. We need to go to File System and then to User. Then after User, we need to go to Share, and then we need to search for backgrounds. And inside backgrounds, we have three folders, and this is the folder that we need. Let's try to upload an image to this folder. First, we go to Unsplash, and we search for wallpapers 4K. Then we just download an image. Let me download this one, and let's try to drag and drop the image to the folder. It's not gonna work because we need root access to this folder. Let's go back to backgrounds, and with the right mouse button, open as root. You need to give the password, and now we can go back to our downloads and we can just do drag and drop. This is the hard way, and as you see, the image is now in the folder. But we need to reopen it to see it because we can't see it now. So we go back, and again, desktop setting, and as you can see, this is the image that we have just uploaded. There is an easy way, maybe easier than this way. You can just search folders and upload images from those folders. For example, we can go to downloads, select this one, and close. So we started with the hard way, and now this is the easy way. Let's go back to desktop setting and explain some other stuff. There are some options here. They are all self-explanatory. I don't think I need to explain them. You can just go over them and try to see what they are doing. If you have any question, please leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in coming videos.